This is my Kawasaki Z650 1979, which been sitting for many years. Now I am going to restore it completely. I have repainted the engine with a silver color. The rest of the engine now I'm going to rebuild, putting new parts. There is also a problem with the starter because it slips. So now I'm going to remove the clutch assembly, and this is the new kit of the rollers, which I'm going to install inside. I'm going to remove this one, then the starter clutch. So I removed the starter clutch now. This is the housing of the starter. And the problem is in this here, goes into this one. Now I'm going to remove that 3 screws and remove the old rollers and springs, put new one. Then that will lock properly and will not slip when start. These rollers allow the gear to lock, which then allow the engine to turn when press the button. And one side is locking, the other side is free. When these rollers become faulty or the springs become weaker, then when you try to start the engine, it's giving a kind of noise, geez, which you can see the engine doesn't spin, so doesn't start. Is it because of this? So these parts need to be replaced to allow the clutch starter to lock on one side to turn the engine when you press the button to start the engine. It's raining, not a good weather, but I just wanted to make a little video for the work which I did. Now I am up to here. This is the engine, which is, I made it completely like new. Originally, Kawasaki comes all silver, but I changed that to black and silver. I think that looks better. So I painted the frame as well, and wheels all cleaned, everything. That job has been done. So this is the bike now, which really looks good. Now I came to the wiring. The wiring is totally destroyed, in very bad condition. That's the wiring. I removed the whole loom, complete wiring, and I removed the tape from it. This everywhere is damaged. So now I'm gonna make that completely like a new. So then I install the wiring. After that, then the other parts, which I have to paint as well. So that's for today. When I do the wiring and install them back, then after that I'll make another video, another part of it. So this is the harness so far, a kind of work I've done, and more to be done as well. Here are the mud guards and the side covers, fuel tank. Now I'm gonna paint them green again, which was before. But before was the glossy green Kawasaki. This time I'm gonna paint it with a green matte. not the glossy one. So it's ready for painting now. So I'm going to start spraying after spraying the primer. I applied primer now. When that dries, then I will spray the green. The Kawasaki Z650 is ready now, completely with a different shape. I changed the color from red or maroon to the green, matte green, and with the black, the frame and the other stuff all black. The engine been completely rebuilt. All the worn parts been replaced. The mirror have been replaced. The headlight has been replaced. The indicators have been replaced, and the tail light also been replaced. All of them are LED now. It looks great. Let's start it. So these are the old bits. That was the headlight before. Replaced with this one. And that was the tail light before. That been replaced with this one. The more stylish one, just to give a modern look. And these were the old indicators, now been replaced with the LED ones. There was just one mirror on the right hand side, that one, and I put these stylish mirrors. So that's it. Looks great. Starts with a touch and sounds good. No smoke, no noise. A perfect bike now. Just enjoy riding off it. Kawasaki Z650 1979. Took me about 3 months working on it from scratch to this stage. Just finished it this morning. So that's it.